Hello friends, it's Terry with Terry's Mailbox, and I'm so excited to get you in the holiday mood with this wonderful die set from ScrapbookPal and Spellbinders. So again, here I'm working with the Dancin Nutcracker and the Layered Holiday Lights embossing folder. So here is that Nutcracker die. Look at all the pieces. I mean, again, you get a drum, you get candy, all kinds of fun things. This is the Layered Holiday Lights embossing folder and stencil, and I had so much fun playing with this. I got lots of ideas for that one. And this is the Create a Christmas Sentiment set. This is really a cute holiday sentiment set. So the first thing I did, this embossing folder is pretty large, so I'm actually using half a sheet of 8.5 by 11 to go ahead and emboss the lights. And it's cool the way that turned out. So here I am just adding Faded Jeans Distress Ink, using the stencil onto the white base. I wanted just a little bit of a pop of color, and I decided to dress my Nutcracker in a blue suit instead of red. So that's how I came to decide to go ahead and do the lights in blue. So I've got lots of plans for this stencil set. This is just really cute, and I can't wait to do rainbow color, more holiday color type of things. I could even see a yellow with a glow going. So again, I got lots of plans for this one. So here I've die cut all the pieces. You can see I did the words in silver, did some of the embellishments in silver. You can see the faces over there at the left-hand side. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the coat together, and I decided to add some of the Faded Jeans ink to the perimeter of the die cut pieces. I think it just adds a lot of texture to these different pieces. I'll make a comment here about my face up there. You can see it right above my left hand. I didn't have a good flesh tone color, so what I did was I die cut that piece in white, and then I went ahead and used tea dye to ink blend on that piece. That tends to be a really good color. Right now I've pulled out my lumberjack plaid, and I'm just kind of embellishing the perimeter of the candy pieces that we're going to use. I just, I like to add a little bit of extra color. So there is that face. You can see I've already added the cheeks and the nose and the mustache and the eyebrows. So cute. So now I'm grabbing my Nuvo glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and start assembling the pieces. So you can see there I've started the coat. We'll go ahead and now we're going to add some of the embellishments, so to speak. So again, just kind of lining them up and adding the pieces. So we're going to move on now and do that top hat type of thing. And the next thing I'm going to do is add those cute little white curls. So again, those come part of the set. You just, pick out and divide your pieces onto the different color cardstocks, and off you go. So here we're just adding the curls. I thought those were just really, really cute. So we'll go ahead and continue to glue those guys all together. So sweet, so sweet. So then I've got my coat again. We're going to add some of the additional embellishments. And then we'll go ahead and put the black sleeves that you can see right there. And I need to add his hands, which I'll just kind of move along here and do. So have you started your Christmas crafting yet? This is just so much fun. I've got a few things done already. I'm actually kind of surprised at myself to have some done this early. But obviously, the request from ScrapbookPal to use this particular set certainly gave me a great head start on some things. But I have some additional ones done that I'm ready. So again, here I've got the sleeves on there. And so again, I made the left arm a little bit shorter because he's the one that's going to be holding that candy. And so I think by having it shorter, it kind of gives you a better perspective. So again, there is that guy, and he is ready to rock and roll. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the drum set together. So you can see there I've got that blue coloration, and then I also have some silver. There's strings, decorative strings for the side of the drum. So we're going to go ahead and add those here as well. You can see there's one. So we'll go ahead and just kind of add all of those onto this particular piece. And in the end, I added 2 drumsticks for decoration. So again, just so cute. Look at that. I thought that was just darling. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is I grab my Tombow mono tape runner, and we'll go ahead and attach that onto an A2 card base that I've already added a piece of light blue coordinating cardstock on there. And this is kind of how we're going to put this together. I was kind of trying to decide where exactly do I want to set my pieces, and in the end I decided to put the drum at the bottom, and I did put the words up there at the top, and I also added a blue layer because I wanted the letters to pop. Next thing I did was I grabbed my Scrapbook Adhesive 3D foam set. So we'll go ahead and put that on the back of my soldier guy. And you can see there that I've got the pants with the boots already sitting on the card base. It's not attached yet. And you see that large hole in there. That's what causes the pants to be able to swing. And so I'm sitting here just kind of measuring it out, just, thinking about, okay, where exactly do I want him positioned? And you need to put a round or a small square foam piece up at the very top. You don't want it in the middle of the hole. You want it at the top so that you can get it in the right place. So I'm currently taking all of the backing pieces off here. And what you'll see that I discovered is that I can't have those foam pieces on the lower end of his coat, because guess what? The pants won't move. The legs will not swing. He will not be a dancing nutcracker. So once I discovered that, of course, see, here I had to pull it off and remove those additional squares so that, again, my little nutcracker could dance. So again, we'll go ahead and put that on there. And we'll go ahead and press it down. And then you can see here, sorry it's off screen a little bit, but you can see here that he is a dancing nutcracker. So cute. I just really love this one. I can't wait to make more. So again, I'm going to go ahead and you can see here I've made 2 little drumsticks with dies from the set. So we'll go ahead and glue those onto the top of the drum and add that at the lower right-hand side. And so the best place I decided to put the words was all the way at the top. I'm one that tends to like to put my words down there at the lower section of a card, but I just didn't think that would look nice. So again, here we'll go ahead and glue the drum and attach him there to the lower right-hand side. And then we'll go ahead and start working with those, the letters. So again, I'm kind of playing with them here to see where I can fit them in the best. And you can see I've added a blue layer on there because I just felt that really helped to tie the whole thing together. So again, we'll kind of work here on getting it all glued in. Started with the latter part of the Christmas word. And what I chose for this was Christmas wishes. So I thought that was kind of a cute sentiment. So there's my W. So we'll get my W going ahead and attaching him. Too much fun. This was just too much fun. Kind of getting me in the Christmas spirit, even though it's 80 some odd degrees here in Ohio. So again, there is my dancing Santa. Isn't he cute? So again, just kind of helping you see the dancing Santa there. So again, it's Terry with Terry's Mailbox, and today I'm posting for ScrapbookPal. We'd love to have you come over to our YouTube channel and subscribe while you're here. Thanks so much.